What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and I'm pretty excited about this video because this will be my very first time ever putting on a wrap or skin on my device. Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
This is the Obsidian version of the Microsoft Surface Duo 2, and as you see, it does pick up fingerprints and stuff like that. So there are several different brands out there, but SophiGuard is the one that caught my eye. I spent $15 for the color shift version. This is the 3M Frost Blue if you're interested, plus shipping was fairly quick. Here is everything that comes inside of the package. They do include an alcohol prep pad, so this is to clean the device before you put the wrap on. They also include this very nice SophiGuard large cloth, and I do like the SG, get it, Spectacular Gadgets. But yes, I do appreciate such a large cleaning cloth. Now here is the pad. I'm going to start with the front first, and after I clean it, I'm going to go ahead and put this right back in the package to preserve the moisture. Now I'm just drying off the front of the device. Now this process is much more forgiving than if you were going to apply a screen protector, so you don't have to make sure that every little fingerprint and everything is off. Now when you're removing this, just do it nice and slow. Don't go yanking it to pull it out of shape, but if you do, the type of material this is, heat will help you get that back into shape, but I'm not going to use any heat here. This is probably a rather easy install. It's pretty flat and very easy to do. So I'm just lining it up with the hinge, and I'm making sure the Microsoft logo is lined up as well. What it looks like is you don't really need any heat for this device. Like I said, it's pretty easy and straightforward. And I typically actually don't use any type of heat, even when I'm doing the film type of screen protectors. You just want to smooth out anything that you notice with your finger. You see what I'm doing here, or if you want to go ahead and take the cleaning cloth and just use that to smooth things out. And I actually already starting to love the way that it looks. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same steps with the back of the device. I'm going to clean it first. I'm now using the cloth to dry off any moisture that was left behind before I apply the back parts of this wrap. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the camera first, and they have the cutouts nice, so all I'm gonna do is pretty much just line it up. Like again, I said, this is pretty easy, and I'm already liking how it looks. I'm just gonna press it down and make sure everything is laid down. Now, when pulling this part off, just take your time, do it slow. You don't want to bend things all out of shape and everything. So I'm going to do exactly the same way as I did the front. I'm going to use the hinge, and I also have this camera cut out to help me line this up and lay it down. Let's have a close-up look of the SophiGuard Frost Blue for the Microsoft Surface Duo 2. And I do like the color shift. It looks really good. 1 second it looks blue, then another second, look, it looks purple right here. So I really like the way this looks. I'm actually loving this. I'm super excited. And to be honest, I actually also did my Google Pixel 6 Pro. So what do you guys think about this color? You see the purple, now it's blue. Hey, I am so glad again that I tried this. I'm excited. This might be a new routine depending on what device I'm using. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.